Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the coronary artery circulation. There are the superior vena cava, aorta, pulmonary trunk, left coronary arteries, left cardiac veins, right cardiac vein, and the right coronary arteries. Inferior vena cava seen this structure. Passage of blood through the heart. Blood flows this sequence through the heart. Superior and inferior vena cava, right atrium, tricuspid valve, then right ventricles, then the pulmonary semilunar valves, pulmonary trunk and arteries to the lungs. Pulmonary vein leaving the lungs, left atrium, and then bicuspid valves, left ventricles, aortic, semilunar valve, aorta to the body. Next is the internal view of the heart. Bronchocephalic artery present on the upper part of the heart. Superior vena cava is there, the blue color in right pulmonary arteries, right pulmonary veins, right atriums and the atrioventricular tricuspid valves. Left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery, aorta, left pulmonary arteries, pulmonary trunk, left pulmonary veins. The pumping of the heart sends out blood under pressure to the arteries. Blood pressure is greatest in the aorta, and the wall of the left ventricle is thicker than that of the right ventricles and pump the blood to the entire body. Blood pressure then decreases as the cross-sectional area of arteries, and then the arteriole increases. Path of blood through the heart. There are the O2 rich blood to body and O2 poor blood to lungs. O2 rich blood from the lungs, O2 poor blood from the body. The heartbeat. Each heartbeat is called the cardiac cycle. When the heartbeat, the two arteria contract together, then the two ventricles contract, then the whole heart relaxes. Systole is the contraction of heart chamber. Diastole is there. Relaxation. The heart sounds lub-dub are due to the closing of the arterioventricular valves and following by the closing of the semilunar valves. Next is the intrinsic control of the heartbeat. The SA, the sinoatrial node or the pacemaker initiate the heartbeat and causes the arteria to contract an average every 0.85 second. The AV node convey the stimulus and initiate contraction of the ventricles. The signals for the ventricles to contract travels from the AV node through the arterioventricular bundles to the smaller Purkinje fiber. And the conduction system of the heart is the SA node, AV node, Purkinje fiber, branches of ventricular bundles. So SA node is present there and AV node in the yellow color. Purkinje fibers are present and branches are also seen in that image. Next is the extrinsic control of the heartbeats. In today's class, I discuss about the intrinsic heartbeat and the heartbeat, path of the blood through the heart, internal view of the heart. Thank you for watching.